How do you say I'm in the kitchen? I'm in the kitchen. You say je suis dans la cuisine. Je suis, I am, dans, in, la cuisine. In the kitchen. Cuisine. Cuisine. That's the kitchen. I am is je suis. Je means I, okay, me. When you talk about yourself, you say I. In French, it goes like je suis. Je suis. It's the conjugation of the verb I am, to be, okay? Je suis dans la cuisine. Now try faster. Je suis dans la cuisine. Je suis dans la cuisine. Not je suis, je suis. Suis. How do you say I'm going to work? I'm going to work, right? You say je vais au travail. Je vais au travail. Not je vais, okay? It's je vais. The sound, the two letters A and I makes the sound E, not E. Donc, je vais au travail. A and U makes O. A and I makes E. Donc, je vais au travail. Not travail, like travail. Vaille. Je vais au travail. Try a little faster. I'm going to work. Je vais au travail. Je vais au travail. Then you can combine je and vais. In spoken French, we do that. And it goes from je vais to je vais. Je vais au travail. How do you say I'm going to the gym? I'm going to the gym. You say je vais à la salle de sport. Je vais, I'm going, to la salle de sport, the gym. I know it's longer, right? It's like basically sports room, salle de sport, okay? Room of sports. But it usually goes like je vais à la salle de sport. Je vais à la salle de sport. When you speak French fast, it goes like je vais à la salle de sport. I'm going to the gym. Je vais à la salle de sport. Now, keep in mind that French people like to shorten stuff or to skip some words here and there. And it goes accordingly to this sentence, like je vais à la salle de sport becomes je vais à la salle. Je vais à la salle. Je vais à la salle. How do you say it's raining a lot outside? Pay attention. It's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. Not pleut, not plow. Il pleut. Not U, okay? So, il pleut a lot. Beaucoup. Donc, il pleut beaucoup. So far. And then, outside. Dehors. It's always the same thing. When you have to pronounce the letter R in French, it goes like something is stuck in your throat. It's very guttural, okay? We call it the guttural R, like something is stuck and you try to spit it out. Dehors. Il pleut beaucoup dehors. Il pleut beaucoup dehors. How do you say I'm going out tonight? I'm going out tonight. You say ce soir je sors or je sors ce soir. Either or, no big deal. So, but very, very likely you will hear ce soir je sors. Tonight I'm going out. Ce soir, so this evening, technically, okay? Tonight, ce soir, soir, soir. When you say it fast, is voir. The two letters O and I combined together make the sound wa. All right? So soir, not soir, soir. Okay? Again, the guttural R. Ce soir, je sors. Make it obvious. Ce soir, je sors. Ce soir, je sors.